all you have is 50,000 naira and you're thinking of a business that you can start here in Nigeria. 50,000 naira, you think is small, right? But trust me, I'm going to be exposing to you in this video very practical, doable, relatable businesses that you can start here in Nigeria just with 50,000 naira, how you can maximize your profit and of course scale it up from there. Hello besties, you're welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, you're most welcome. I am Philomena, your personal finance bestie, helping you to build wealth one smart money move at a time. And this is the Feel First community. On this channel, what I bring to you are passive income ideas, business ideas, growth tips, productivity videos, and even investment videos. So if this resonates with you, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video, and please share it with someone. We are already in the middle of the year and I'm currently filming this video in June, and in a few days we are going to be in July, and this is a great time to plan towards your poultry business. Yes, because November and December are like the peak period in Nigeria where you can sell your chickens, and this is a great time. If you are going to make profit from that business, I think this is the best time for you to start planning towards it, because from August, September, you should actually start training these birds so that from November, December, you can actually start selling them. I know you have a concern, and that is poultry feed, but do you know that you can augment with your leftover food? Yes, even my mother-in-law feeds her chickens back. With that one, I shouted when I saw her doing it. I'm like, Mommy, you're giving them a bath. She said, yes. Chickens are natural scavengers and they eat what you train them with, and what you teach them early on is definitely what they are going to be used to. So you can introduce them to leftover food, whether it is rice, eba, beans. What I know they don't do well with is oil and salt. So whatever you are giving them, make sure it doesn't have too much of oil and salt, because they don't do well with that. But my sister, they can eat anything you give them. Just try, even if it's beans, rice, eba, and then sometimes you add your poultry feed to it. By November, December, that is the peak period and you can start selling your birds. So this is one of the viable businesses that you can actually do right now in Nigeria just with 50,000 naira. Across social media, we are constantly hearing influencers and people talking about how people have body odor, how people should improve their hygiene. It may actually sound like crude and then we just laugh over it and scroll up. But if you're a business-minded person, you know that you can actually tap into this business of perfumes, right? So you have 50,000 naira and you're thinking, is this going to be enough? You can actually start with your oil perfumes. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Whether you're starting with the 3 ml, 6 ml, or even the 15 ml, you can buy this in bulk. And the beautiful thing is that you can actually make 100% profit on this. Yes, so if you buy your perfumes for say 1,000 naira at wholesale price for those oil perfumes, you can sell for 2,000 naira, and that is 100% profit. This will make it very easy for you to upscale the business, because now that you have more profit, you can buy more goods, and of course you can add other things to it, whether it is your body sprays and all. But you can start with the oil perfume. It is easy to sell because the prices are relatively cheap and they smell so good, and at the end of the day you're making about 70 to 100% profit. That is a very beautiful business and you can actually start with 50,000 naira. Selling of catfish is a very lucrative business and it's something you can start with just 50,000 naira. Whether you want to be selling live catfish or you want to have a barbecue stand, with 50,000 naira you can comfortably start a barbecue business or even selling of live catfish, and it is very, very profitable. From selling in small bowls, you can upscale this business to having a catfish farm where you are not just selling in pieces but people are coming to buy from you at wholesale prices. This is the rainy season now. It's raining almost every day. This is the best weather for pepper soup businesses. You can be supplying to people who sell pepper soup. You can look for a busy place with an umbrella where you're selling it. So this is a very profitable business that even with 50,000 naira you can start now and upscale. This is the age for digital skills, and if you're sleeping on it, then you're missing out. You know this core member Araye, the popular one who brought enlightenment to the sufferings of the core members in Nigeria. I'm actually following her on Instagram and she is a freelancer. She is a virtual assistant and she makes money in dollars. I mean, from her vlogs you can tell that she is living not an average corporate life, because she is doing something at the side. In freelancing, you can become a virtual assistant, a copywriter, a social media manager. These are digital skills that people need right now. So you can just learn it for a token with your data. You can go to platforms like Coursera, Skillshare to learn this. Is even YouTube University. Yes, you can learn so many things on YouTube. With 50,000 naira, you can learn some of these courses online that can make you become a virtual assistant. So even from the comfort of your home, you can freelance and earn in dollars. She is a core member who still has to go to her PPA, but she's earning even right from the comfort of her home. If you watch her vlogs, she starts her virtual assistant from 6 p.m. and works till about 2 a.m. in the night. You see, it's nothing is stopping you right from the comfort of your home, wherever you are in the world. You can actually start this business. So if you're still thinking of what you can do in this digital age, then I would recommend Freelancing 100. I am a mom of three, a fashion designer, an MBA student, a content creator. I have so many hats that I am wearing, and I cannot do this all alone with the harsh chores. So what I do is that I have somebody who comes once in a week to help me with cleaning the house and just making the chores easier for me. That is the age that we are in now. If you don't want somebody to come and stay with you as a live-in help, then you can actually require the services of people who clean, and that is where you come in. You can have an agency. A lot of people are in need of deep cleaning for their houses, for their offices, and this is a beautiful business that you can start with nothing. All you just need to do is to let people know that you offer these services. Most times the people you are going to their homes or offices are the ones providing the materials that you're going to be working with. And what I love about this business is that once you start it, you can actually look for people. You don't just end up as the only one doing the cleaning. Once you have so many clients, you don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is to look for people to put in these places, and you get to take the commission. So there are so many ways to actually make money here in Nigeria, even without your 50,000 naira. All you need to do is to just think of an idea and think of how you can execute it. Your social media handles are your advertising tools. Your WhatsApp status is there for you. Go to Canva, print your flyer, let people know that you are not into cleaning services. When they require your services, even though you are not able to go there, you can look for people who are hands-on and put them in these places. All you need to do is to come and supervise, to make sure that, okay, these places are truly clean, because you don't just want them to call you once and that's the end. You want to do the work and then have them call you back and even put a word of you out there for people. A lot of moms are tired and need help. There are offices that need your services. There are homes that are crying for these services. So cleaning business is actually a very beautiful, viable business to start here in Nigeria. Every phone is powered with recharge card for communication and data. So yeah, that is where you come in. Whether virtual or physical sale of recharge cards, it is a profitable business that you can start with 50,000 naira. Being a nail technician is actually very profitable as well, because with 40 to 50,000 naira, you can buy your nail kit. So if you are looking for a way to polish your skill, YouTube is your friend. You don't even need to pay for it if you don't want to. Download a lot of YouTube videos and watch it very well. Practice it on yourself and buy this kit with 50,000 naira or less. This never goes out of fashion or out of demand. Ladies are constantly looking for how to beautify their nails. So yeah, being a nail technician is a viable business, and with 50,000 naira, you can start this business. There are people who can never go past plantain chips or even potato and yam chips, and this is one business you can start with just 50,000 naira. Yes, you can even package it and brand it. Put your name there. Let everybody know that this is Fuse Chips. I mean, it's actually a very good name, Fuse Chips, right? So yeah, with 50,000 naira, you can start the sales of plantain chips, chin chin. Yes, as you make profit, don't eat your profit. Put it back into the business, upskill and start supplying supermarkets. Start supplying people, so that you are not just selling it bit by bit. You are now a wholesaler and people can come and patronize you. There was this plantain chips that I bought the other time. My goodness, it was so good. Like, I just wish the person had put her number in the label, because I was just looking for a way to just reach out to her to have more. It was so nice. Like, she added whether pepper, I don't know, but it was just so good. If she had put her contact in that label, I would have contacted her. So this is one thing you want to do. So while you're labeling your plantain chips, you want to include your number, so that somebody can take these plantain chips anywhere, and then the person is very much interested in having more, maybe to even sell it. With your number, they can contact you and then have you make more for them. If you are living in busy places like Lagos, Abuja and Port Harcourt, you already know that people are finding it difficult to keep up with work and cooking. I was watching Winnie's vlog the other times, Delicious Food, here on YouTube. She's actually a chef. She says she's not a chef because she doesn't like to be addressed as a chef, but of course she's doing everything a chef does. She has over 1 million subscribers here on YouTube on her channel Delicious Food. Guess what? She has a chef. Yes, as good as she is when it comes to cooking, she made mention of how cooking was taking so much of her time, and she just realized that she couldn't keep up with buying food outside, and so she needed a chef. So you can see that in busy places, people are in need of food, and it's because she can afford a chef. There are people who may not want to go the extra mile to get a chef, right? But they can order for home cooked meals. So that is where you come in. So if you are a good cook, you can actually start cooking for people. You can let people know that you offer such services through your social media handles. Let them see you cooking beautiful meals. So when you are cooking your own meals, record the process. Let them see how clean, how ethical you are when you're cooking your meals, how organized the whole place is, and you're offering these services. People are going to contact you for you to cook for them. They'll pay you. You go to the market, you cook for them, and then you bring it for them. People are cashing out from it right now. I know this has become a thing right now in Nigeria. So this is one of the skills you equally want to maximize. You don't even need 50,000 naira to start, because it is not your money you are going to go to the market with. This person contacting you is going to pay you for you to go to the market, do the shopping, buy everything that you need to buy, and then come. You can even cook it in your place. Yeah, cook it and then bring it for them. You don't even need to come to their places most of the time. You cook it and bring it for them. But if they need you to come over to cook it, okay, fine. It depends on what you're charging them, right? So yeah, these are some of the businesses that you can start here in Nigeria with 50,000 naira or even less. I think I have mentioned one or two businesses that you can even start without this money, right? Without 50,000 naira, all you need to do is to have your smartphone, let people know that you're making these services available. Thank you so much for your time here on the channel. I hope you have picked one or two from this video. If you have taken any ideas from this video, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time here, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you know is going to be very happy to see this kind of video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.